Luna Classic continue to face more issues as Luna, according to experts, might be dropping from the top 80 crypto coins to below top 150 crypto coins, which means Luna Classic might be dropping over $200 million before the end of the year. Yes, Luna might be dropping over $200 million. Right now, Luna Classic have really dropped. Remember, they started from the top 30. That was about last year, towards the end of last year. Right before you know it, they dropped to the top 40, top 50, top 60, top 70, now top 80. I think they are now ranked the 82 crypto coins with the highest market cap. So you see, every month Luna keep on dropping. So this is what holders need to do right now. You need to focus. You need to for me, if you ask me, I will ask you to withdraw some of your holding, or you need to follow up Luna Classic news every day to know when to pull out, because Luna is dropping almost every day. Okay, now even experts believe that this coin might be dropping to the top 150 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Okay, that means that even in the next 5 months to come, Luna might be dropping even in terms of price, in terms of cap. Right now you can see Luna have really dropped. The trading volume now is 14 million. Yesterday it was about 19, when I did one of my video that this have never happened before. But today it even dropped more to 14. Before you know it, to 10, before you know it, to $5 million trading volume. A coin that was trading with over $500 million trading volume. This is a sign, and this sign started many months ago. And we still believe that things will change, but things didn't change. With all the support from Binance founder, with all the burning, things didn't change. Instead, Luna was dropping gradually, and it will keep on if nothing is done. If something that can shake the Luna Classic market news, something that can shake the economic news of the Luna Classic, something that can attract top investors and holders, the Luna Classic will continue to drop. I'm telling you, even before the end of next month, don't be surprised to see the trading volume drop to $5 million trading volume. And at that stage, I think it's definitely going to be over for me, because I will tell you the truth. Luna is not, they don't have any plan right now that can help. They don't have any strategy, any project that can change so many things for Luna Classic. Can change it to positive, but right now, nothing. I mean, totally nothing. No plan, no project that can help. So they are just there hoping for what next will happen, which is not good. So if the holders, founders, and some of the top holders can right now decide to do something, I think we have to Luna Classic. Now take a look at the Shiba Doge, Floki Inu, Pepe Coin, BVS Finance Coin. These coins are doing well. Okay, these coins are doing well, and I think you need to copy from some of these coins. Look at the Tectonic token. These coins are doing well. These are just coins that was just founded, and yet they are increasing gradually every day. So Luna need to do something before it is too late. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Keep on subscribing. Keep on watching our videos, and very soon we are about to share a gift for our viewers. So stay tuned.